Day 16. Today was all about preparation and experimentation as I began working on the third painting in my Dreamscape series. With the insights and reflections from the previous days fresh in my mind, I approached this new piece with a renewed sense of purpose and excitement. The morning was dedicated to setting up for the new painting. I started by preparing the canvas, carefully stretching and priming it to ensure a high-quality surface for my work. This process is always a grounding ritual, marking the beginning of a new creative journey. I took my time, making sure the canvas was perfectly prepared before moving on to the next steps. With the canvas ready, I spent the afternoon sketching out the initial design for the new painting. I drew inspiration from the previous works in the series, incorporating recurring themes and motifs while also introducing new elements to keep the series dynamic and evolving. I experimented with different compositions and forms, focusing on how to convey the dreamlike quality of the series in fresh and intriguing ways. One of the key ideas I explored today was integrating abstract elements with more figurative components. I wanted to create a sense of contrast and balance, allowing for both recognizable forms and abstract patterns to coexist within the same piece. This approach would enhance the surreal and otherworldly quality of the painting, contributing to the overall theme of the Dreamscape series. In the afternoon, I began applying the first layers of paint to the canvas. I started with broad washes of color to establish the background and set the mood for the piece. I chose a palette that would complement the colors used in the previous paintings while also introducing new tones to add variety and depth. As I worked, I experimented with different techniques to create interesting textures and effects. I used a mix of brushes, palette knives, and unconventional tools to apply the paint, aiming to achieve a rich and complex surface that would enhance the dreamlike quality of the painting. The process was both exhilarating and meditative, as I explored new ways to express the themes of the series. By the evening, I had made significant progress on the initial layers of the painting. The canvas was starting to come to life with vibrant colors and intriguing textures. I took a step back to assess the work, making note of areas that needed further development and adjustment. The new painting was shaping up nicely, and I was excited about the direction it was taking. Reflecting on the day, I felt a deep sense of satisfaction and anticipation. The third painting was off to a promising start, and I was eager to continue building on the foundation I had laid. Tomorrow, I plan to focus on adding more detail and depth to the painting, exploring how to integrate the abstract and figurative elements more cohesively. As I wrapped up for the day, I took a moment to appreciate the progress made and the creative journey that continues to unfold. Each step in the series brings new challenges and discoveries, and I am excited to see how the Dreamscape theme will evolve as I continue to work on this new piece.